Put it on your birthday list, maybe go in with your sisters. If you can get your hands on even one of these 3 craft tools, you will find new opportunities for the creative side of life. Aly Dosdall is naming 3 hobby machines that don't get the credit they deserve. It's great to see you.
Great to see you too.
So you would not function without a toaster in the kitchen, for example. What would you say is the equivalent in the craft room?
So I would say for me, a paper crafter would be a paper trimmer.
Yeah.
I have that for sure. But I feel like these tools are kind of like the air fryer or maybe the Instapot. Like it makes life better, it makes life easier, and when you get it, you're like, wow, I can do all these cool things with this. I had no idea, and you just run with it.
So a bit of an extra, we'll acknowledge.
Yes.
But to your point, the air fryer, once you've used it and loved it, it does feel like I couldn't live without this anymore.
Yeah.
Good analogy. Good analogy. Okay, what's first on your list?
Okay, so first we've got the Spin It Pro. So tumblers are a big thing, right? And especially those really big, you know, quenchers and that kind of thing. But now you can decorate them. You can customize them, make them your own thing with this tool. So this is called a tumbler turner, which means it spins around. So when you decorate something, like if you feel right here, it's all nice and smooth, kind of glossy. That's just epoxy resin. So when you put your vinyl on, cover it with epoxy resin, and then this spins, and so you don't get the drips. Because if you're, you know, if it just sits there, it's going to drip, and your cup's going to look like dripped epoxy resin.
So it gives you that professional finish.
Perfect finish. So it spins and spins, and then it self-levels, and it looks amazing and shiny and last. You can wash it.
These look profesh. You could sell these.
Oh, you can sell these. So side hustle if you want.
Do you like how I'm already thinking? Like pay for the investment. I'm just saying. Or just make your own. Or just make your own. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so this is a bookbinding machine. It's called the Cinch.
Oh.
So we used to use these for like traditional scrapbooking, kind of, you know, if you think old school sort of, but now people are making their own planners. They're making art journals. They're making Bible journals, you know, all those fun things, the bullet journals, you know, that are super trendy right now.
Yeah.
Memory books, photo books. So it's really fun. It's really easy. And the cool thing about this tool is you've got not only the punching part, which I've already done. You can see this is chipboard, you know, so it goes through really thick material.
She's got some muscle in there.
Yes, this tool has some muscle, let me tell you. But you also can do the cinching, which is the part back here where you're just pinching the wire down and folding it that way. I'm not going to take time to do the whole thing, but so you can see you've got both of those features in it, which is all you need. I mean, we used to be taking these over to the office supply store and having someone else do it for us, paying really a lot, where if you invest in this, I don't know, like maybe $80, $90, you can make tons and you're saving money. So
yeah, see, I would see myself using this all the time. You mentioned the journals or the notebooks for the kids or the grandkids.
Exactly, for school. Yeah,
fun to customize that. Very cool.
Yes.
Okay, what's this?
Okay, this is a blast to the past.
She's excited.
I'm excited. This is a button maker. It's called the Button Press.
Oh.
So you can make buttons, and I mean, I think we sort of have this idea in our heads of buttons are like functional. They're maybe for a political campaign or your, you know, employee badge or whatever. But this takes it to a whole new level where it's decorative, it's fun, they're collectible, you can do all kinds of things with them. So, you know, obviously we have our studio
for representing.
Badges. Yeah, so fun. So we're going to just make one of those real quick so you can kind of see how it works. Now this is neat because it has the 2 parts where you're going to cut your, you know, whatever you print, or you could use decorative paper. And this little die just allows you to center your design right there so you can see exactly where you're going to punch, which is really handy. And then the second part is actually making the button. So it's got all the features for that. So first we put our button piece down, and then we put our paper down, and then this little Mylar sheet on top. And then we're just going to slide this in. We press down. And then
do not tell me it's that easy.
It's that easy.
What?
We're almost done. Whoops, that just popped right out, didn't it? And then you switch it there. So you just kind of like rotate those little parts there.
Okay.
Put your back in. And then
it clamps it together?
Clamps it together.
Oh my goodness.
Which is so cool.
What?
So there's your Studio 5 badge.
I will wear it proudly.
I love it.
I'll be my own walking billboard. But really, I think of like girls, grandkids,
teams.
They would have so
promotions.
much fun.
If you have like, you know, prep day or rally day for, you know, for football games or whatever, you can totally do those. Another fun thing is wearables. You know, you can put them on your accessories. So we've got just some fun ones on the jean jacket here, on your caps.
Cute.
I even, Brooke.
What? You made a pop socket?
Pop socket.
Oh my goodness.
So you can buy these pieces. I just got them on Amazon, you know, and then you just use, you want to use like silicone glue, because a lot of these are silicone, and a lot of glues won't actually stick to the silicone. But there's special silicone glue, and you're just going to stick that on, and now you've got a custom pop socket.
Okay, so the creative application is so fun, but the gifting application with all of these is really fun too.
Great. So if you have a crafter in your life, these are great tools to give them. Or if you want to make gifts to give to other people, special books,
or
then you can do them.
Pop socket, for example.
Yeah, totally.
Cool. All
great
right,
stocking
Aly, thank you so much. Where can we find additional resources and follow you online?
So online, I'm AlyDosdall.com, Aly Dosdall on Instagram. But you can find these at a warehouse sale in Orem for American Crafts. So all of these, that's where I got all of these.
Okay.
So if you want to save some money, go there. It's in Orem. It's 1410 West, 1200 North.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Lewis and Clark. We'll post that on our website too. Is there a certain day for the sale?
It's going on now. It's going to be going on for quite a long time. Yeah, I would take advantage now because it's, Christmas.
All right. Aly, thank you so much.
You bet. Thanks for having me.
Good to see you.